Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add photos on your Facebook. It's pretty simple. After you open your Facebook, you want to click on the plus button at the top right of your screen. Once you click on plus, it's going to show you all this option. From over here, you want to click on post. Once you click on post, at the bottom you can see the option called photo/video. Click on photo/video and choose a photo from your gallery. So I'm going to choose this random photo from my gallery and I will click on done at the top right. Once I do this, as you guys can see, I have just added a photo. Now at the top it says say something. I can click on it and I can write something over here. I can even tag somebody, but I'm not going to tag anyone. I'm just going to write it's a cool room. After you write something you want with the picture, you can click on post at the top right and your picture will be posted. And that's how you guys can add photo on your Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, if you want to change your profile picture, what you need to do is first go under profile. Just click on the menu icon at the bottom right and click on your profile name at the top. From over here, you can see the little camera icon right beside your profile picture. Click on it and what you want to do is select profile picture and you can select a picture from your gallery. So I'm just going to select a random picture and click on save. And like this, I have just added a profile picture to my Facebook. So for profile picture, you need to do things differently like this. So I hope you understand how to add photos on Facebook. Hit the subscribe and bye-bye.